Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this 300-pound collapsible wagon. This is going to be a product overview video, so let's get into it. I'll show you how it works, how to pack it, how to unfold it, and then I'll give my overall feedback. So this is how the wagon looks. First off, you can see the wheels, some heavy-duty wheels, and has grooves, so this will help you easily roll through grass, sand, and flat surfaces. It has a swivel wheel. It even has wheel locks right here. You just press this down to lock it. You press this one to unlock it. You can see the handle right here. This comes down. If you press this button here, this slides down. So it's easy to maneuver it. And the wheels have swivel, so you can see that. This is how it looks. So it has pockets right here. You can fit all the stuff in there. And then it has these pockets here. So you can see what we have inside the cargo area. It has a big cooler right here. Has two foldable chairs and then the canopy right here. So this holds up to 300 pounds. Okay, so this is even great to pull your kids. This thing holds up to 300 pounds. So it's very easy to pull them. Even the turn radius is very tight, just in case if you need to turn quickly. Comes with a mesh net that you can cover up and hold everything down as you're traveling. So this is great to hold things down, so that way nothing falls out. So this is a great mesh net just to keep everything down. And then when you finish, and you want to pack it away, very simple. Take everything out. You're gonna take out the floorboard, put that in place. You're gonna push this down, and then inside there's like a ring here. You pull that up, and now you're ready to store it. Overall, this is a great collapsible wagon. I like how the wheels have the threads, and they're heavy duty on rubber wheels. I like that they have the swivel. They have the brakes. I like how easy it is to open and close it. I like how this holds a full weight of 300 pounds. It's made out of good material. And I also like how the turn radius is very tight and is easy to maneuver. I also like how this goes open and closes, the pockets that it comes with. And this is a great product to use whenever you're going to the beach, the pool, the park. And it's also great to hold the kids. So thanks for watching.